Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pilaru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Aga step ringap Josie Blay ka United States of America. Kalat herbom na swing haki likely Jaka Pynlang Niwkliar Jong ka Iran. Balayos ngoy ka jing batay ka shit kay bat ka jing sawa ka bami na kani ka jing batay bat ka ding ka bayang sa swing haringkat ka jingling o katrak. Presiden ke Amerika Donald Trump ulang tren siya ka perthai pa ki likely Jaka ki baga US ka bom ki kenthok ya ka Fordo ka Natanz bat ka Isfahan utram mula penbenaruh perhatian berada penle kini menta ki Air Force ka Amerika ki lawan paisok sila ka Jong kari bat kim sim lele Trump no ongru ba ling ba kini ka jingle ka US Ukraine ba ka shong suk shong san kan man phai biang bat ka Iran kan sange ano ikikam nuclear Jong ka.
Thank you very much. A short time ago, the U.S. military carried out massive precision strikes on the 3 key nuclear facilities in the Iranian regime, Fordo, Natanz, and Esfahan. Everybody heard those names for years as they built this horribly destructive enterprise. Our objective was the destruction of Iran's nuclear enrichment capacity and a stop to the nuclear threat posed by the world's #1 state sponsor of terror. Tonight, I can report to the world that the strikes were a spectacular military success. Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated. Iran, the bully of the Middle East, must now make peace. If they do not, future attacks will be far greater and a lot easier. For 40 years, Iran has been saying death to America, death to Israel. They have been killing our people, blowing off their arms, blowing off their legs with roadside bombs. That was their specialty. We lost over 1,000 people, and hundreds of thousands throughout the Middle East and around the world have died as a direct result of their hate. In particular, so many were killed by their general, Qasem Soleimani. I decided a long time ago that I would not let this happen. It will not continue. I want to thank and congratulate Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu. We worked as a team like perhaps no team has ever worked before.
Mentirang baduk Israel pat Benjamin Netanyahu lai kublay Amerika dah baong pakadegari buslur bat kabale kabade bale nadu kamen shwa ba Israel kan kerwet yak Iran ukit pak ru pa ubray undan dekat bah Amerika bat ke Israel bat baro ki parlok jang ke Israel.
Congratulations, President Trump. Your bold decision to target Iran's nuclear facilities with the awesome and righteous might of the United States will change history. In Operation Rising Lion, Israel has done truly amazing things. But in tonight's action against Iran's nuclear facilities, America has been truly unsurpassed. It has done what no other country on earth could do. History will record that President Trump acted to deny the world's most dangerous regime the world's most dangerous weapons. His leadership today has created a pivot of history that can help lead the Middle East and beyond to a future of prosperity and peace. President Trump and I often say, peace through strength. First comes strength, then comes peace. And tonight, President Trump and the United States acted with a lot of strength.
From the hills of the East, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.